Hello kids, in today's video we are going to see how I organize my stationery items. So firstly I require some boxes like this. You can make use of any boxes that are available at your home. Then a scissor, a glitter tape, some colored papers, Fevicol and a transparent sellotape. So what I did is, firstly, I have cut a piece of sellotape and closed the open mouth of a box from where we open the packet. So in the same way, I will be closing all those which are opened. Then I will be cutting it from the center, and then I have taken this kind of soap box and I have cut out the flaps. Then I was having this remote box. So that too I did the same way. I have just closed the other end. We usually throw away all these boxes, right? So now we are going to make a best organizer out of these waste boxes. So here I'll show just for one box like how I measure and cut. I'm just taking the half of that box and measuring it with a scale and pencil, and then I'll be cutting it on 3 sides of the box by leaving only one long side by using a cutter. Be careful if you are using cutter, and I'm sure you'll all love this after making it. So we are just reusing those carton boxes that we usually throw away. So here you can see that I have cut 3 sides of my box, and then I'll be just folding it onto the back side. So here I got my box like this. Then using color paper I'll be covering it on all 4 sides. So here you can see my box is ready now. Now using the glitter tape I'll be covering all the corners, all the edges including the top corners, so that it will give a beautiful look to my box. In the same way, I will be covering all the boxes that I had shown you in the beginning of the video by using different colored papers, and will show you at the end like how I arrange it on a plain sari box. So once this is done, I need a plain sari box like this, on which I will be keeping all these colored boxes which I had wrapped using colored paper. So you can see how I am arranging it. So this arrangement is completely your wish. You can make use of any boxes, any sizes that are available at your home without wasting it. And I have kept another box inside, but I have not wrapped it because somehow I am going to place the things inside. So I have just kept a small box inside just for a partition purpose. So here you can see that I had kept markers, pens in the front part. Then I had kept a scissor here, but I was not satisfied with the scissor there, so I'll be taking it out and I'll show you where I'm placing it at the end. So this is just the plan that I was making, like how to keep, but at the end I have kept it completely in a different way. So keep watching the video. And all the colored tapes that I was having, I had kept it in the front. So whenever I require, I can take that color. Then I was having many sharpeners lying around my house. So I collected all the sharpeners and erasers, and I have kept it in 2 small boxes. So whenever we require, we'll take it from that. Then in the last partition, I had kept all the glue items like Fevicol, Fevibond, glue stick, glue gum, a fabric glue, everything. And apart from this, I had planned to make another organizer for colors like sketch pens, color pencils, crayons, paints, paintbrush and all. Keep watching our videos. Then initially I kept scales here in the corner box. Then I found that those scales are not good there. So I kept all the tools there like punching machine, then scissors and all. And then all the cutting tools like cutter, blades and all I have kept in a small box at the side. And to be honest, this one organizer is not sufficient for my stationery and my craft supplies. So I have many more things. So keep watching all my videos. I'll be sharing many organizers like this, like how I store, and so that you will also get an idea to store all your craft supplies, your books, your organizers, everything in an organized way. So then I kept my glue gun there, but still I found that glue gun was taking a lot of space there. So I had removed it out again at the end. Then again I had kept my glues there and kept transparent tape, double-sided tape in the front. So this is how my organizer is now. So you have seen that how I organized everything using waste boxes at home. Happy crafting. Bye.